Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting here on the weekly chart where we are looking at a finished impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave A potentially, or for a wave 1. And in that case scenario, we are looking of course for a corrective wave, 3 waves here, where we are looking of course at a W as a zigzag, another zigzag for an X, and finally finishing this a very long corrective wave for 5 years for XRP in a wave Y here as a triangle, finishing A, B, C, D, E, and finally explosion towards the upside. And this is exactly what we are looking for. We are looking of course for a wave C towards the upside in an A, B, and a C. Your wave C, of course, should be impulsive and 5 waves toward the upside. Now, the 1-to-1 fib level taken, of course, from this corrective wave and from starting of the wave A, give us, of course, at $3.9 for 1-to-1 fib level for XRP. However, it's nice to mention that XRP was ranging for very long time under the 0.6 and even under the $1 for XRP, and after this boom towards the upside now with a wave 1, probably we are over than $1.3 for XRP, which is very nice to see. And we are still looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least reaching around the $4 for XRP. Now I would like to mention as well, this is a linear fib levels yet, which is, I always, as a security, I just start with this. Once we break those level and we are looking for higher, I would directly extend our fib levels, of course, for logarithmic fib levels. And yes, I know it sounds very unrealistic, but on the logarithmic chart, how XRP in a percentage is working, we are possibly to reach even another leg similar to this one in percentage, of course, and we might reach almost $400 for XRP, which is a very huge and massive. Now, if we look at the 1 hour chart, of course, in the 1 hour chart here, we are looking at our massive impulse towards the upside after finishing this correction. We are looking here at a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then a 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the white scenario was for your wave 3. Here we got an A, B, C, D, E. Of course, the most lovely pattern for XRP is a triangle, always that he will use, of course, in a wave 4. And here we go again after finishing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 in the yellow, finishing a wave 1 in the white again for higher prices. Now, of course, we are looking to a correction here, and which is possibly has finished, probably because we still looking for one more leg towards the downside. And this is very, probably because we have a 1, 2, 3, and then, even the wave 4 cannot be considered here because it is interfering with your wave 1. And therefore, I prefer here, of course, to count this as an A, B, and a C here. Very simple, A, B, C. And and after this, we are still looking here at another corrective wave, your wave 4 also interfere with your wave 1. It's not an impulse, it's not a double 1, 2, and it is not a diagonal because your wave 5 is longer than your wave 3. And therefore, this is another A, B, and a C, or even to be honest, this is a WXY where you are having, of course, a double zigzag kind of. However, it's still corrective. I prefer to not even label this. I think here also we have finished, of course, maybe another ABC. If we have finished it, it could be, of course, finished in a zigzag or triple zigzag, what we are looking at here, which it makes it already a WXY, another lovely pattern, of course, for XRP, triangles and WXYs. So this is the character of XRP. He loves these patterns, and he loves a lot of zigzags. So these are the things. Now, of course, it might still be that we can get one more leg toward the downside because, of course, this is a very shallow correction for a wave 2. If we are looking for a wave 2 here, After finishing this impulse as a wave 1, you would like to see a 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 continuation. Now this is a very, very shallow, of course, wave 2. Now if I would like to consider a little bit higher, even as a secure fib level, we can call here the $1 for XRP, that it might still correct and move towards the upside. If this correction has finished in 3 waves, then we are looking for other 3 waves toward the upside and 5 waves toward the downside again. Or it could be in WXY, which XRP loves to do it, another zigzag towards the downside, hitting the 0.38 and then moving towards higher prices again. And of course, if we look at KGT signals here, we can see that yes, there is some buying pressure towards the upside. Your last signal was given for a buy and starting exactly from this bottom, which is awesome, and a double signal. Of course, for bottom, it means like a very, very good pressure of buying also from there. However, yeah, we are looking for a buy and then of course some selling pressure, which it didn't took the low even of the buyers. And then of course, again, moving towards the upside. Therefore, we are still corrective as explained. In case we are looking for higher prices here for XRP, we are looking, of course, for something like 3 waves toward the upside, as I said, and then, of course, moving again towards the downside. So by all means, there is nothing yet impulsive here in XRP. Even if we go to the 15-minute chart, we can see that it is too much overlaps here. We can see a lot of overlapping, but it can be one thing here scenario as a bullish, which it could be a leading diagonal. And with that leading diagonal, of course, it can be considered as a wave 1 and then 2 and then as a 1 and then A, B, C, sorry, for wave 2, and then of course continuation towards the upside. So that is only a possibility, guys, but it could be as well an ABC. Yeah, so don't forget that XRP loves a lot of WXY, so here it can be kind of a double zigzag, yeah, structure where you see double zigzag and an X in between. So yeah, be careful with it. Now the KGT, of course, on the XRP, not Bitcoin. This is XRP. So we see some pressure of sellers, as you can see, but it's not something very serious yet. We don't see a signal of selling. The last signal is still buying. So the trend is towards the upside, but yeah, be careful with it. It might appear any sell signal soon. And to see those updated signals, of course, you can join the Discord membership, of course, to get the KGT signals for all the available cryptocurrencies so far, and XRP is one of them. You can join the Discord, of course, using Patreon membership, and you can just simply write me on Patreon your Discord name, and of course I will already send you the invitation link over there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments and likes. See you in the next one. Bye bye.